Swayam Prabha. Digital India. Educated India.
Menthosa combines the best of technology and innovation to create user-friendly drone and rover-based solutions for efficient working and optimized productivity. Let's find out more about it from the founder himself.
This is Nitish Mahajan from Menthosa Solutions, and our startup deals with autonomous vehicles, whether it be ground-based or air-based, that is drones. So we are from Punjab University, and we make web-based controls for rovers and drones. So the idea of creating such products came from the research that we were pursuing as for my doctorate. I was pursuing a research on drones and autonomous vehicles, and then we came up with this idea because most of the products in India were out of import. So we import most of the drones and rover solutions in India. So that is where we got the idea to reduce the imports so that we can design and build the rovers and drones in India, and we have total control over the technology. So now, till now, all the drones and rovers were controlled via radio channels. There were no 4G and 5G enabled drones. So we are venturing into 4G and 5G enabled drones so that you can control the drones from the comfort of your home. So these drones and rovers can be controlled from this tool. It is a web-based tool. Even if you are sitting in your room at your home, you can control the drone over 500 kilometers away. Or you can control and watch the data that is being transmitted by the drone 500 kilometers away. So right now you can see we have created a flight plan for the drone. This drone is being simulated at Mumbai, and this drone has 10 waypoints. And when you press a button, wherever you are sitting, from your mobile phone, from your laptop, it will go and travel the whole journey. So in addition to that, we have another solution, that is our rover. So all the products showcased here are working towards a single goal. First thing is to develop indigenous capability to design and manufacture all these products in India so that we can minimize imports. Second thing is to generate employment in India. Once these technologies are manufactured in India, people from all the spectrums, whether it be manufacturing industry, whether it be software industry, everyone will get on board and get better jobs, which will pay better salaries in India.